Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted, and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you buy a reserved item or essentially how you can reserve an item on Vinted. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up Vinted on your web browser. And once you've browsed for a certain article that you like to buy, you will go into its listing page. As you can see right here, you'll go down until okay, this one is sold. Unlucky, but I'll go into another one that is not. Let's try this one's. All right, and now you'll go down until you see the Ask Seller option, which will basically open up a conversation tab with the seller. Now, once you're here in the Ask Seller, you will create a message for the seller in order to ask them to reserve your items. So you can maybe ask them that you'll be able to buy them in 3 days, or to reserve them for you until you um, get out with some payment. So you'll write a message and wait for the answer from the seller. And once you finish that, and if the seller gives you a reserved option, it might mark it as sold, or um, it might just hold the item for you, and then you can tell them and click on buy now and continue with your purchase. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.